Well, once upon a time. I was the commanding officer of Free Infantry Battalion.
This are you and the one is here. That's nice.
I see.
Give chance, General Gawan.
And here was the CNC. Yes. I think when he was, I think the GOC here, I was his adjutant general. Just after war. One of our cosmates, Yakubu Adejo. Yakubu Adejo. I think maybe he was late. We are still hanging around. Yeah.
Another picture.
Thank you very much. Yes. Again, it's this you, yeah, this? 2nd Battalion, yes, a group photograph with the officers. I see. Well, this is some of my officers. That's some of them are late, like I do by one Nasarawa. It's dead. This is late Dimka.
That's right.
Famous Dimka. Yes. And this Hanania, who is General Hanania. I think he's still around.
Tony Hanania. The battalion is here now.
I see. All right. Thank you very much.